Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to learn how to convert binary to octa. Well, so I have given an example here. I have took an example so that we can learn very much clearly. As we know that in the binary we have numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then comes to our 7. These are the 8 numbers that we do have. So let's first understand something. We need 3 places or 3 bits if you like it that way. First one is 2, second one is 2, and third one is 2. What the 2 means here? Well, in the binary form, if you have 3 bits here, you have two options. Either you can put in 0 or 1, 0 or 1, 0 or 1. So these are the two possibilities. And on multiplying, you are going to get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. And this is the meaning of octa. So that's how the machine learns it. So why I am teaching this to you? Well, there is surely a purpose behind that, and let's learn something here. So we need to group the things here. I hope this decimal is visible, and now we are ready to group the things. So we need three groups here. These three groups, these three groups, these three groups, these three groups, and there is no group here. So either you can add a 0 so that you can make it three groups, or just can take only two numbers. That is completely okay. So we have grouped here in this way, and after decimal we will group it in this way. So these three are one group, these three are one group, these three are one group, and these two are one group, or you can add 0 as I said earlier, this way. Now, what are our numbers? Well, we need to do very simple thing, and I show you that how we can do it very easily for one thing. Let's take 0, 1, 1, which is our first one. Okay, so we need to convert that into octa system. So how we are going to convert that into octa system? Very simple. Write 0, 1, 2, and now what we are going to do? 2 multiply 2 multiply 0 plus 2 to the power 1 multiply 1 plus 2 to the power 0 multiply 1. Yes, you are exactly right. This is the same format we have used earlier, but we used binary format here because this is indeed in the binary. So we have 4 in this case, but because it's multiplying with 0, so surely it will get 0. 2, and this is going to be 1. So this here is 1, and this here is 2, and this here becomes 0. So finally we have 2 plus 1, which is 3. So this is our number. So on the base of the place value we can find all that things, and it becomes very easy. Well, you can pause the video at this moment if you are feeling confident with this concept and can solve this entire binary form to octa form and come back to check everything. Or if you are feeling even a slightest bit of thing that something is missing or something is not working, so just rewind it again and then try it again. I'm going to present the entire solution here, and I'm going to rub this all. Well, this is the advantages of the video lessons. You can rub and again you can see. Okay, so in this place we have got, let me change the color. Yeah, so we have got 3, and in this place if you solve it, you're going to get 5, and this place you are going to get 1, in this place you are going to get 6, and in this place you are going to get 2, in the same way that we have done. Like, let me show you one more so that you will feel confident with that. 1 0 1. So in the simplest way, 0 1 2. So 2 to the power 2 multiply 1 plus 2 to the power 1 multiply 0 plus 2 to the power 0 multiply 1. So this will going to be 1, this will going to be 0 because we are multiplying with 0, and this will going to be 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and that's how we write the 5. 1 0 1. So this is for the 5. Okay, now I think you are getting the point very clearly. Let's solve after decimal. So for the after decimal we do have, in this place it's 7, this will going to be 4, this will going to be 0, and finally this will going to be 2. How I did that? Very simple. 1 1 1, which means 2 to the power 2 multiply 1 plus 2 to the power 1 multiply 1 plus 2 to the power 0 multiply 1. So this is going to be 4, this will going to be 2, and this will going to be 1. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is for the 7. The highest number in octadecimal system, which is 7. And that can be everything is on or everything is just 1 1 1. So similarly we have 4 here, similarly 0, and similarly 2. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is 200, sorry, not 200, 26153.7402. Wow, even I did not expected that. It's quite big. So this is the number that we just converted from binary to octa system. I think now you get the point and getting interested. So let's do one more. But this time we are going to solve binary to hexa system. So what in the hexa system we need? In the hexa system, just one thing needs to be changed, which is we need 4 boxes. So we have 4 options, 2, 2, 2, 2, and if you multiply them all, that will going to be to the power 4 or 16. This is the meaning of hexadecimal: 0 1 2 all that up to 9, and then A B C D E F. So if we count that all, that will going to be 16. So in this case we are going to get the 4 as a number groupings. So this is our decimal, this is the first fourth group, this is the second fourth group, this is the third fourth group, and in this place you can write 0 0, or you can simply take 1 0, that will be okay. In this case we are going to take it in this way. Similarly you can write 0 here and here. Well, very much quite similar. Let's solve one so that you feel confident that how we are going to do that all. So to convert this we need 0 1 2 3, and now very simple, 2 to the power 3 multiply 1 plus 2 to the power 2 multiply 0 plus 2 to the power 1 multiply 1 plus 2 to the power 0 multiply 1. So this will going to be 1, this will going to be 2, this will going to be 0 as we are multiplying with 0, and this will going to be 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, and in hexadecimal system 11 means B. So this is our B. Similarly, when you solve it, this will going to be our 6, this will going to be 12, which is C, this will going to be 2, and in this case this will going to be F, the highest one, this will going to be 0, and this will going to be 2. Well, once you practice it, you are able to do it that fast as I am doing it. It's very much obvious because there are the repetitions, so you are able to do that very easily. Well, I am doing all these calculations just to show you that how it is done in a very much possible and practical way. But if you get familiar with the powers of 2, you are able to do it very quickly. Like in this case, let me show you how I calculate the f. 1 1. Okay, let me clear this off. first so that we can focus on everything. Well, I'm not singing a song. Okay, so let's do it. So let me show you that how I did 1 1 1 1 this fast. Well, it's very simple. 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0. So this is going to be 8 plus 2 10. Sorry, this will going to be 8, this will going to be 4, this will going to be 2, and this will going to be 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 13, this is going to be 15, and 15 is going to be F, and this is our answer that we're going to have. Okay, so how the 15 is F, right? This might be a question. Well, we started with 0. Never forget that. With 0 to F, if you count 0 to, this is going to be 16 numbers. That's why I chose 1111, so that we can overcome this confusion if you're trying it in your own self. So we have covered everything from binary to hexa and of course binary to octa. To convert octa to binary or hexa to binary, we can use a very simple system like we need to convert the binary from hexa or octa. Well, let me tell you a very simple thing that we can do. Okay, are you ready? Divide with 8, divide with 16, and for the fraction part multiply 16, for the fraction part multiply 8. That seems familiar, Om, because we have seen that somewhere. Yes, you are absolutely right. We have done that in the decimal number system. So for decimal number system, we used dividing by the things, and now we are using dividing by the things, and we are going to get our answer. That's it. And the thing that I already told you, that you can convert the hexa or octa to decimal number system, and then that decimal number system into binary system. That is one of the easiest thing I think possible. Well, you can choose any way you like, but I told you the basic concepts, and now we are ready to wrap up this section with our arithmetics. Yes, now we are going to learn that how computers do the addition and subtraction. So stay tuned and God bless.